Hey crafty friends, it's Rick. I'm back with another video. Today we are going to make a clean and simple card using the Stuck Duck stamp set from Miss Ink Stamps along with the Airmail stencils. So we're going to make this little card. I've got a few colors of tri-blends I'm going to use to color with, and we're going to use a little bit of ink blending and make a super simple cute card. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take and I'm going to do my stenciling first. This is a layering stencil set. And I'm going to do this directly on my top folding A2 card base. We're going to line up our card base with the etch lines on the stencil. And I'm going to start with the largest grouping first. And I'm going to do some gray ink. So we're just going to go around our stencil, adding our gray around that edge. Because what I'm going to do is I'm going to tape off this after we get done so that we can do a little bit of stamping on the inside. So I'll remove that stencil. I will switch over to our orange. I'm going to line our next layer up. I'm going to come in with my orange, go around the edge. I actually have a different version of this same card that I will share in my blog post as well. So even simpler. Remove that. There is our outline. Our sticky mat. I'm going to take some tape and I'm going to just mask off the edge of our card. Just lining that up along the edge of our image that we have stenciled on. It's just got some low tack tape that we're just going to mask everything off, just like so. And I'm actually just going to take that mat, put it back. I'm just going to take an acrylic block because I'm going to use that large duct tape roll. And I'm going to stamp my background using that. I'm just going to take my gray ink that we used. And I'm going to fill this entire background in. So we're going to make sure we line these up where we have not overlap, but we want them close together. So I'm just going to kind of nestle these into each other. Notice that I am turning my stamp each time so that we have a different look. And we're filling in each area of our stamped image, or our background image, I should say. We'll peel off our masking paper. And I'm going to go very slow so that we don't rip our card base. So there's our card base. I'm going to move that to the side. I'm going to pull out my Misty. And I'm going to stamp my other images that I'm going to color. I'm going to take that double piece of duct tape. And I'm going to take our little duck. So I'm going to use him. I'm going to move this up closer to the top. I'm going to slide our duck over because I think I'm going to cut him out with a circle die. And I'm going to have another piece of our duct tape here. maybe a couple. And I'm going to take and stamp this in Memento Tuxedo Black so that I can color it. We need to stamp twice, we can. There we go. And I'm going to pull in my lightest colors. And I'm going to add my shadows first, because we're going to have a little white duck. He's a duck. So anywhere an object is overlaying an object, we would have a little shadow. Come in with a slightly lighter color. This is IG2. I'm going to use the darker shades to color my duct tape. Blend that out with IG1. I can also take a colorless blender and blend that all together. Blend that into the white of the paper. So just blend that. It's our little duck. Let's do the rest of him. The hardest part about this image is paying attention to where your shadows are going to be. But if you always remember that anytime an object overlaps another object, it will be a lot easier on you. Okay. There's that. We'll switch over to our mid-tone. Then we'll switch back to our lightest color. And I'll blend that together. And we will blend that to the white with our colorless blender. All right, let's do the rest of our little duck here. Have a little shadow there. We'll have a little shadow there, right here. Give the shadow on the back of his little head. We'll switch over to our medium color. I'll blend those together. Then we'll switch over to our light. And we'll blend all that. I'll come back with my colorless blender and blend that all together. All right, while we're waiting on that, I'm going to go ahead and do the duct tape. I'm going to come in with IG7 as my darkest color. I'm going to lay that in where I want it to be the darkest. Just add in just a little bit of color there. That's going to be the shadow. I'll switch over to IG6, which is my mid-tone. And you can see that that color does dry back. So no worries there. And blend that out. I'll blend that out with my lightest color, which is IG3. And I'll work that blend until I get it to blend together. can just take a little of my 6, pick it up to get a nice transitional shade there. All right, I've got all my little duck colored. I'm going to go ahead and add in the color for the inside of the tape roll. Just like so. And then we will color his little beak and feet. So I'm using a burnt orange for that. So I'm just going to add that shadow in. Let's go ahead and do the shadow on his little beak. I'll switch over to my mid-tone, which is B03. Add that to his beak. And I'll switch over to my lightest color, which is B01. And we'll blend everything together. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and put this back in, and I'm gonna go ahead and stamp over it one more time to darken all of that up after we colored. So I'm just gonna ink it all back up, and I'll stamp him down one more time. And make sure we have nice clean edges. I'll remove that for a minute. All right, I'm going to cut my duck out with a circle die, and I'm going to take and fussy cut out my duct tape. So I'm going to tape him where I want him to be. I'll take a little repositionable tape, and I will run that through my die cutting machine. All right, while I went ahead and pulled out the larger Misty, I'm going to go ahead and stamp my inside of my card. So I'm going to stamp my little duck on the inside as well. And then we're going to add a sentiment on the inside also. But I'm going to stamp my little duck first. I'm going to stamp him that same gray ink that I used on the front. And that ink does level out after it dries. All right, for my inside, I'm going to stamp just roll with it. And I'm going to stamp it right down here, close to in between his little leg. And I'm going to stamp that in the orange ink I used on the front. And then I've got a scrap piece of white cardstock. I'm going to stamp my outside sentiment. I'm going to stamp, what do you mean duct tape can't fix it? I'm going to stamp that in VersaFine Nocturne Clear ink because it's a nice, good, dark ink and dries pretty fast. I'm going to take my little duck that we've done our circle on, and I'm going to come around the edge with the ink that is left on my blending brush. Just that orange ink, and I'm going to just give it a little bit of color so it stands out from that background. All right, I went ahead and cut out a matte circle from some silver cardstock for my little duck. That way it ties in our metallic. I'm going to start with the dry adhesive, and I'm going to add just a little liquid adhesive on there as well. I'm going to just center that on our little duck. All right, I decided to pop my little duck up with some very thin foam adhesive. So I put that on. I'm going to peel these backings off. We'll add some liquid glue. And And then I can add him to our card front. So we've got that right there. I'm going to add a little bit of foam tape behind some of our little duct tape pieces as well. So I'll take some reverse tweezers, hold that in place. Then I can add that onto our project. My sentiment I'm going to add with some foam adhesive, since it's going to go over our sentiment strip, our focal image. So I can add some liquid glue onto that. I'm going to take a T-square, line that up. So I can get that sentiment nice and straight. We'll add a couple more of our little duct tape pieces. I'll just cut a couple little thin little strips. Add one right there. Add that one right over there. I'm going to add some white highlights using my Posca extra fine paint pen. So we're going to add some to our duct tape. So we'll just give that a little bit of highlight. Add some to our little duck. So he would have some highlight. We're going to add some to his little feet. We're going to add highlights to this duct tape as well. And I'm going to take my Stardust stickles and our little duct tape pieces. I'm going to come over those and add a little bit of glitter to those. So those are going to be my embellishments for my card. We could also add a little to the duct tape roll. So that it's nice and sparkly as well. Just have to be a little careful. All right, my friends, here is a look at my card. Here is a closer look at the card. If you like any of these products, you can find them in the link listed below. There's also a look at the inside of our card. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye, guys. Stay crafty. Love you.